here. Wait a minute.
Okay, today's the day.
Today is the day. Could be the biggest, most awesome decision of our life.
Did our daughter just ask to do what? What do you think we're doing, Liberty? Do you know what we're doing, Gabe? Our children think we've lost our minds.
We have. We're adults.
Right?
You know.
So today's the day that we're going to go pay a bunch of money for a boat.
Did we bring the money?
No, we didn't bring the money. I guess we turn around and go get the money. Okay. Good thing to remember. Bring the money.
Yes, it is.
Well,
It is done.
yay!
It is done.
We're
And
boat
we
owners.
are now boat owners.
Oh my gosh.
So I guess if the insurance asks us if we've ever owned a boat before, we can say, yeah.
Oh, we do. We
Yeah,
owned a
we've
little
owned-
tiny one
That's right.
in my sister's backyard.
That's right.
All right.
We also owned a canoe.
Right? We
Yeah.
did. We did. Now we've got to get the insurance and
Got to get insurance on it, got to get Coast Guard, you know, stuff transferred
Documentation.
over.
and we
Got
got
to move it.
we got to find a name for it.
And a name.
We kind of are leaning towards naming it after our channel, but we're not sure.
Which is
Spoondrifter.
Spoondrifter. You want to name it what? Mists.
Mists?
Mists.
What do you want to name it, Abigail?
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash, was that your choice yesterday? Yeah. They're not super into this YouTube channel thing, so you get to just have Todd and I be your entertainment.
I guess.
All
And
right.
we can dance. We can dance if we want to.
So let's go look at the boat.
Are we going to go do that?
Yeah.
Let's go look at the boat,
Let's
I
go
guess.
look at the boat.
Yay!
There she is.
There she blows.
What do you think? Is there some fun stuff in the water? The hermit crabs are gone, huh?
Quick overview.
She's been docked here for 9 months since the hurricane. She's a little rough.
down.
We'll open things up. Show how the table works, dear.
I'm not sure I can get my fingers in there. Do that. There we go. This is how the table works. That's kind of cool. Rotate.
And I like how it goes.
I think you have a carpenter to do a little bit of the repair on it, huh?
Right? We have these. These are nice. They go up in the cockpit. Shows how this thing goes. This makes a bunk.
This makes a bunk. Like this.
Missing some pieces. They're under there.
On the bottom there.
So then it's a pretty.
Go on top of here.
Hi! What do you think? Are you ready to go sailing? Now, if this folds up, did you see this? On the front? So what is that? It just makes that like a queen size bed. So, yeah, because when you go all the way back. What do you think, Liberty? Are you excited?
Yes, Abigail.
Alright, so it's got a residential small dorm fridge that'll need to be changed out. I have to watch my step because it steps down here. So we've got this space we're going to remodel.
This right here, right now, is storage. That's what this model he had it used for, but essentially it's already got a rail on the back. It's designed to be a bunk space right in this little hallway, so there'll be 2 bunks. So we got to basically tear this out and convert it back to a bunk space, which is one of the other fuel size. That'll be pretty cool. This is one access to the engine room, which is
The big question.
it's a big room, but it's also a big question. We don't know if the engine runs. So that's on our list of things to do, is figure out, does she run?
Or rather, we know she doesn't run, but will she run?
Here is head number 1, the master head, right? We have a bathtub and access to the second part of the engine room. So there's a Kohler generator in there. We don't know if that runs either. But it's a pretty big room.
Hi.
Or we can go into the.
Hello? 2 doorways. This would be the master, right?
Yep.
So this is the stern berth. And there's an extra porthole to go out onto the deck from here. So you can go out and show what that looks like.
And then this is
And
the
then this is the other entrance for the
bathroom.
bathroom.
We need to replace the liners.
Some minor issues. There's some, other issues.
I don't know that I'm going to talk. I think I will take the. I'm going to narrate.
Bathroom number 1.
You said the other one was bathroom
Number 2. tiny kids left?
And there's an access to the bathroom. Cupboard back here. That is the boat.
I want real stairs, not ladders.
Now that we've found our boat, join us as we figure out how to put her back together and learn how to sail.